Sup guys, Christos here. Now in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how much YouTube paid a small creator like myself with under 10,000 subscribers in 2021. I will be pulling the curtains back on my real-time YouTube analytics on my laptop, and I will also be comparing this year's results to those of last year's, where I actually had half the subscribers and half the amount of views. So having said that, let's not waste any more time and let's go ahead and jump into my live view of my YouTube channel analytics. And what we can see down the right hand side, my face might be in the way of it a little bit. We can see my real-time statistics, so what is going on right now with this channel. But one thing I have done on the left hand side is set the results to the 1st of January to the 31st of December 2020. So these are the results that I had last year, and as you can see, this is a complete overview of my account. So what you can obviously see is that we had 144,000 views roughly in 2020. I gained around 2,700 subscribers, and the thing that we are focusing on in today's video, last year I earned £2,171.56. So if I was to go ahead and click on the revenue tab right here, this is going to give us a little bit more detail on exactly how I actually earned that. And if you didn't know already, a quick explanation on how YouTube pays subscribers. Basically what we have on YouTube is a playback based CPM, and basically what this means is we are currently set at £24.77, and what this basically means is that every 1,000 views that you get on your channel, you are estimated to receive around £24.77. So that's exactly how YouTube work out exactly how much to pay their creators. Some niches earn more. For example, I'm very much in the finance niche. This is typically considered as a high CPM niche. However, if you were to be making kids content or maybe gaming content, the CPM is going to be a lot lower because the audience on those channels just simply don't appeal to the advertisers quite as much. So there you go. That is a quick recap of 2020's earnings. Obviously at the time I finished the year on around 3,500 subscribers. As you can go ahead and see right now, I have over double of that. So let's now move on to 2021. So if I was to go in the top right hand corner here and we click this drop down, we can simply go ahead and click 2021 to date. Obviously I am filming this video on the 21st of December, so we do have 9 days left of this year, or 10 days left of this year, let me just say. And so let's go ahead and click on 2021, and I'm going to hide the revenue just for the meantime because I'm going to reveal that in just a second. But as you can see, we had a lot more views, which obviously is going to increase a lot more money anyway. It doesn't take a genius to work that one out. But one thing that you can see is that I gained a lot more subscribers in this year as well. And one thing that YouTube obviously say is that it doesn't really matter how many subscribers you get because you get paid based on the views. But I do think subscribers do play a massive role in terms of how much money you do earn in the long term, because the higher quality subscriber you have, the more views that you're naturally going to get from your subscribers. So just taking a look at all of these basic figures right now, this is all extremely positive. So I guess let's now get into the meat of this and let's talk about exactly how much I earned on YouTube in 2021. Drum roll please. And that was £4,261.31. And if you remember my figures from 2020, this number is pretty much double that figure, and I think everything seems to kind of add up there. Now, you may be sitting there thinking £4,261.31, that is by far not enough for you to live on full time, especially if you're doing YouTube as a full-time job, which I am pretty much doing. Don't worry, if you stick around, what I'm going to be doing is sharing exactly how I actually make around 10 times that amount from this YouTube channel from other different indirect related YouTube income streams. So make sure you stick around for that. A couple of things that I do want to point out is that if we take a look at my revenue chart right here, one thing that you may notice is that towards the end of June, start of July time here, towards I want to say the 1st of October time, you can see that my revenue chart actually started to trend downwards. Now, this is because at the start of the year where things were really going well and they were on the up, I was making videos about a completely different niche. I was very much focusing on Amazon FBA and reselling. However, at some point during the middle of the year, I decided that I wanted to make content on topics I had more passion for, which was personal finance, stocks, and just making money online in general. And I did make that switch. However, the switch didn't go as smooth as what I planned, and as you can see, we did start to trend down in my revenue, and you will probably see that in a reflection if I was to go over and head and take a look at my views as well. So as you can see, the views started to trend down in that period as well. But just going back to the revenue, what we can see is that towards the end of October, we started to pick things up. However, we have had a little bit of a dip in December, but December is normally known as a pretty bad time for advertisers in terms of the personal finance space. So overall, I am really happy with this year. Now, the best thing that I want to share with you guys is, do you remember when I shared with you that my highest earning video was 170 odd pounds from 2020? Well, I absolutely smashed that one out of the park in 2021 with this how to make money on Amazon without selling any products, which actually made me £1,400 for one video. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. This was one of the videos that I put least effort into. It took me about 4 hours to make, from filming, editing, thumbnail, and releasing. And over the year, it's paid me £1,417 in passive income, which is absolutely amazing and one of the best things about being a YouTube creator. Now, one thing I thought would be interesting to do, because I'm likely going to make this exact same video next year, is actually give an estimate on what I think I will hit in terms of revenue in 2022, and just using socialblade.com, which can be a little bit off, but it's pretty much a YouTube estimator tool for your views and subscribers. If we go down and take a look at 12 months from now, it is estimated that based on my progression right now, I should have around 19,300 subscribers. But the most important figure, of course, for our YouTube revenue is my views, and it's estimating that I'm going to hit around 1.148 million views. So just taking a rough guess based on the fact that I think that CPM will continue to rise in the future, I'm going to go for a rough estimate of around £12,000 in YouTube revenue for the year of 2022. One thing that I would love for you guys to do is pop an estimate of your own for my channel in the comments section down below, and if you're still knocking around this time next year, we can see who is right. Now, like I mentioned, I actually make over 10 times that amount from other different income streams, which are all related to my YouTube channel. And what I want to do is invite you to go and check out this video, which is a video talking about how I made £50,000 in 1 year with my small YouTube channel. So make sure you go and check that out, because you'll see all of the different other ways that this YouTube channel makes money. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care.